Hello everyone, my name is Arjun and welcome back to my channel. For the longest time I wanted to make a marble cake with two different flavors. And what better time to make a heart-shaped chocolate and strawberry marble cake than on Valentine's Day. So let's get into it. So first of all, we'll puree our strawberries. But before I do that, I should really wear my apron. Now I'll make a chocolate slurry by taking cocoa powder and I'll gradually add milk to the cocoa powder. This is the consistency. Both the components are ready, so it's time to make the batter. I'll take a large bowl and I'll add in milk and I'll add in melted butter and I'll add in 2 teaspoons vinegar. And I'll let it curdle for 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's been 10 minutes and I'll add in sugar and I'll give it a whisk. Now I'll sift in the dry ingredient. Flour, milk powder, baking soda and baking powder. Now I'll fold in the dry ingredient. Now my batter is ready, so I'll divide it into 2 equal parts. Now in one, I'll add in the strawberry puree. Now to enhance the color of my strawberry batter, I'm adding some gel food coloring. This is completely optional. In the other one, I'll add in our chocolate and some vanilla essence. I'll scoop the 2 batters and start pouring to make our cake. My batter looks so beautiful before baking. I'm wondering how it will come out after. I'll pop it in the oven at 180 degrees for about 40 minutes. I'll tell you the exact time after the bake. Hear that? It is done! I'll let it rest for a few minutes before I take it out of the tin. Let's give it a try. Chocolate and strawberry is a perfect match. Do give it a try. This is super easy. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this.